Hello students, today we are going to start our first chapter of chemistry. This is synthetic fibers and plastics. First we know what is a fiber. Fibers is a very thin thread-like strand from which cloth is made. This is a thread-like structure from which cloth is made. First we take this cotton. I am showing you what this is a cotton and this is known as fibers. After spinning process which takes place by tapli or charkha in earlier days. So fiber is converted into thread-like structure by the process of spinning. In earlier days, tapli and charkha was used. Nowadays, spinning machine is used. Then it converts into thread-like structure. After spinning of fibers, it converts into thread-like structure that is called yarn, from which fabrics are formed. This is a fabric which we not wear. But when tailor cut it and stitch it, and it gives forms like pant, shirt that boys wear, or frock or salwar suit that girls wear, that is known as cloths, which is made up of fabrics. So first we get fibers, then after spinning it converts into yarn, and then it weaves into fabrics. By knitting, fabrics are made from yarn by the process of knitting or weaving. And when tailor cut it and stitch it, fabrics convert into cloths. Now we know from where we get fibers. We get fibers from natural sources like plants or animals. The fibers which we get from plants are called plant fibers, and the fibers which we get from animals are called animal fibers. Plant fibers are cotton, jute, and animal fibers like wool, silk. These are known as natural fibers because we get it from nature. So these are natural fibers. And next is artificial fibers. The fibers which we obtain by the action of chemicals in the laboratory is called artificial fibers, like rayon, nylon, polyester, etc. Synthetic fibers are made of a chain of small units called monomers. Like this is a polymer. There are many small units which are connected with each other with simple bonding. Similar types of small units connect with each other and forms a polymer. So the single unit of this polymer is called monomer. And the process by which many molecules of monomers joined with each other and forms a polymer is called polymerization. So, by the process of polymerization, many small units called monomers join with each other and forms a long chain called polymer. Polymer is made up of two words, poly plus mer. Poly means many and mer means molecules. Means a polymer is made up of many molecules. And monomer word is also made up of two words, mono plus mer. Mono means one or single and mer means molecules. So a single molecule is known as monomer. Let's learn about some synthetic fiber. First we know about the rayon. Rayon is the first man-made synthetic fiber which is made up of natural fibers like wood by using wood pulp, and wood pulp we obtain from plants, so it is made up of natural. Rayon has properties similar to that of silk, so it is also known as artificial silk. It has many properties. It is cheaper than silk and it can be dyed in many colors. It is used to make bed sheets and carpets. When rayon mixed with cotton, it is used to make bed sheet, and when rayon is mixed with wool, it is used to make carpets. Nylon is another man-made fibers. In 1931, it was made without using any natural raw material. It was prepared by using coal, water and air. It was fully synthetic fibers. Rayon was first a synthetic fiber, but it was made up of natural source like chemical treatment of wood pulp. But nylon has no any natural source. It was fully synthetic fibers because it is only prepared from chemicals. Nylon fibers was strong, has elasticity, light in weight, lustrous and easy to wash. So it became very popular for making clothes. We use many articles made from nylon such as socks, ropes, tent, toothbrush, car seat belts, sleeping bags, curtains, etc. You know that nylon is also used for making parachutes and ropes for rock climbing. So nylon thread is actually stronger than a steel wire. That's all for today. Thank you. Have a nice day.